it's really nice to come your way again. I hope you're all doing great and you're really taking care of yourselves. Please stay safe. So as promised about a month ago when I was filming my Ghana Jollof recipe, remember that? Check the recipe out, the link is above here. I am making a vegan version of this recipe. Please stay tuned. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. There are more great recipes coming your way. Stay tuned. So here's what you will need. Some fresh tomatoes. So I have about 6 pieces of fresh tomatoes here. 1 cup and a quarter of tomato paste. 2 cups cooked red kidney beans. You can use canned kidney beans if that's what you prefer. 2 cups of rice, 1 cup oil, a cup and a half of chopped green beans, 1 cup frozen green peas, a cup and a half of frozen corn. You need some onions and salt. For spices, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of red chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon Italian spices, 1 teaspoon rosemary. I have 6 cloves of garlic here, a tiny piece of ginger, some bay leaf, so some chicken seasoning powder, just to give it flavor, and also some shrimp cube that I'm using. These things are totally optional. You can use any spice of your choice. So I'm going to cut a piece of this and add to my garlic and ginger and blend. After that, I'm going to chop the onions and tomatoes and set them aside, and we will zoom in. On a medium heat, in a large container, add your 1 cup of oil. So after cooking the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, add your tomato paste and cook for about 5 minutes and then stir in your fresh tomatoes. So after this, add your fresh tomatoes as well as your blended spices and cook for another 5 minutes. After cooking for another 5 minutes, stir in your curry powder as well as your pepper. Now stir in all your spices. So after 15 minutes, wash and stir in your rice. So now add a cup of water. Like I said in my previous non-vegan jollof rice video, we cook this type of rice with heat, not water. So you don't need to add a lot of water. Now when this is done, cover it with a piece of fabric and cook on low heat for 20 minutes in total. But then after 5 minutes, we will check and stir. You have to be checking and stirring continuously so that it doesn't burn. After 10 minutes of cooking this, stir in your beans. Cook this for a few minutes and we will stir in the green beans. So now we will stir in the green beans, cook for 3 minutes, and then we will stir in the frozen peas and frozen corn, and that is just about it. So after 3 minutes, now we will stir in the corn and peas. By the way, this smells really, really amazing. Let's cover this again and maybe cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now this step is totally mine step. You don't really have to do this. I just like the crunch that slightly cooked onions taste, so I'm just going to stir this in. And your jollof It's done. Dinner, lunch, even breakfast is ready. Let's serve. Please give this delicious recipe a try. You will really love it. You can serve this in a tortilla, in a normal wrap. Enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Please share my videos with your friends and family, and let's be YouTube friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.